Didn't even make it back.
Yeah.
And I was in 9th grade at Columbia. They shut Columbia down that day, and a lot of folks went across the street to the church to his funeral. Never forget that, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's every time I ride past the grave site, man, on Glenwood Road, because that's where he's actually buried at. I mean, it's always hit my mind, man. I be like, damn, Ron over there, man. Yeah, I knew him since kids, man. It's just unfortunate. But yeah, man, that's what it was, man, growing up, you know. Losing certain people at times at a young age, man.
Exactly. And that's why, all bullshit aside, G, that's why I feel like how you do things, personally, me. I'm gonna do shit because that's how I am anyway.
Mm-hmm.
But for those that didn't want it, I pick you up yours too. For those that couldn't get it, I got you too. You feel me? Just come rock with me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
But personally, I didn't see after 19. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not saying we was on some hot shit, but I didn't see after 19.
Yeah.
I was like, but the car accidents, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Dumbass, trouble, just little stuff you don't know, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
Being that young and seeing what's going on and like what make me special. You feel me?
Yeah.
We ain't special. We ain't different than everybody around us at this point.
Right.
We doing the same shit everybody doing.
Exactly.
So what make me special?
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
Yep.
I realizing, bro, what hit me is now I'm 40, shouting. And a lot of the artists, a lot of the people that passed. The shit ain't a sprint. It ain't how much money you can make the fastest. It's the maintaining that shit.
Right, exactly.
Cause you can make money fast as hell and they get, in 1 year make a lot of money and then get locked up for 10.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
Right.
That 1 year ball?
Nah, it wasn't.
You feel me? So
Yep.
This shit really become a who can stay out here. You know what I mean? And keep your mentals. You know what I mean? Not go crazy.
Right.
And think you crazy and maintain and move how you want to.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Cause it. A lot of our rappers that rap shit, they ain't moving how they live because they getting into these issues.
Mm-hmm.
But you got niggas out here, that's how you move. And we ain't breaking it for nothing.
Right.
So we're going to stay out here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's real.
That's just my take.
Yeah. No, I agree with you. Bro. I agree with you.